If you feel a sharp jolt or a sudden bump when your car slows down to a stop, your transmission is likely suffering from a corrupted shift logic. This harsh 2-to-1 downshift on the ZF 8-speed automatic transmission is caused by a timing error between the internal clutches and old transmission fluid. The problem happens because your transmission computer has learned bad habits as the fluid inside gets dirty and thin. When you roll to a stop or tap the gas at a light, the computer struggles to release the second gear clutch while grabbing the first gear clutch at the same time. Instead of a smooth handoff, the hydraulic pressures spike and create a physical slam that feels exactly like you were hit from behind by another car. This is a very common issue in modern BMW, Audi, Ram, and Jeep vehicles using the 8 HP transmission series. To fix this properly, you must follow 3 specific steps to restore the hydraulic timing and the clutch grip. First, if your vehicle has over 60,000 miles, you need to perform a complete fluid and filter service. You must use fluid that meets the strict ZF Lifeguard 8 specification and replace the entire plastic oil pan because the filter is built into the plastic. Fresh fluid has the correct friction coefficient to let the clutches slide and grab without sticking. Second, you must have a technician use a factory-level bidirectional scan tool like BMW ISTA or WiTECH to perform a transmission adaptation reset. Do not use a generic phone application for this because those basic tools cannot reach the deep memory blocks where the shift timing is stored. This reset wipes the corrupted memory and sets the computer back to a factory starting point. Third, you have to complete the official ZF adaptive drive cycle immediately after the reset is performed. You must find a flat road and accelerate very slowly with light pressure on the gas pedal to reach about 30 miles per hour. Then, you let the car coast down naturally without touching the brake pedal until it almost stops. You need to repeat this light acceleration and long coasting process several times in a row. This teaches the computer the exact amount of fluid needed to fill the clutch packs, so they touch gently instead of slamming together. This process ensures your transmission works exactly the way the engineers intended when the car was brand new. If you keep driving with this harsh shift, you risk damaging the internal clutch drums and significantly increasing your repair costs later on. Most drivers find that the bump disappears completely once the new fluid is in, and the computer finishes this new learning path. This simple maintenance keeps your car smooth and prevents the transmission from wearing out early. This is the only way to clear those deep timing tables. Check your mileage to see if you are due for a fluid swap. You want to address this before the physical wear on the clutch plates becomes permanent. If the fluid smells burnt during the change, you may have waited too long. Always use the specific 8-speed fluid to ensure the pressures stay within the correct range for your specific vehicle model. Following these steps will save your transmission and make the car feel new again.